Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll demonstrate how to easily transfer your contacts from an Android device to an iPhone using Google Drive. This method is quick and effective, allowing you to keep all your important contact information intact. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. Step 1. Prepare your Android device. First, ensure that your Android device is connected to the Internet. Open the Google Drive app on your Android phone. If you don't have the app installed, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Step 2. Backup contacts to Google Drive. In the Google Drive app, tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, at the top left corner. Select Settings. Then, choose Backup. You'll see options to back up various types of data. Make sure the Contacts option is selected. Finally, tap on Backup Now to start the backup process. Wait for it to complete. Step 3. Setting up your iPhone. Now it's time to set up your new iPhone. If you have already set it up, you can still complete these steps. Go to Settings on your iPhone. Scroll down and select Mail. Step 4. Add your Google account. In the Mail settings, choose Accounts. Tap on Add Account and select Google. Enter your Google account credentials, the same one you used to back up your contacts on your Android device, and follow the prompts to log in. Step 5. Sync contacts. Once you've added your Google account, you will see a toggle for contacts. Ensure this toggle is turned on. This will sync your Google contacts with your iPhone. Step 6. Verify contact transfer. Open the Contacts app on your iPhone. Your contacts should now be visible and successfully transferred from your Android device. That's it. You've successfully transferred your contacts from Android to iPhone using Google Drive. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and give this video a thumbs up to stay updated with more helpful tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.